How to flash OTOFIX D1 series firmware of crashes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. To flash the firmware of an OTOFIX D1 series diagnostic scanner, D1, D1 Pro, D1 Max, D1 Pros, D1 Lite. If the device is stuck or crashed, follow these steps. Ensure you have prepared the necessary tools and files. Preparation. 1. TF card minimum 4 GB. Backup all personal files. 2. Card reader. 3. Windows computer. Ensure the USB port has right permission. 4. Update.img file. 5. SD disk tool program. 6. The OTOFIX D1 device that needs to be flashed. Step 1. Install the flash file. 1. Copy update.img. Transfer the update.img file to your Windows computer. 2. Insert TF card. Plug the TF card into the card reader and insert the card reader into the computer's USB port. 3. Decompress sddisktool_v1.61.zip. Extract the zip file to your computer. This will create a folder named sddisktool_v1.61. 4. Run SD firmware tool. Inside the extracted folder, find and run sd_firmware_tool.exe. 5. Select removable disk. The tool should automatically detect your TF card. If there are multiple removable disks connected, manually select the TF card or remove other disks. 6. Tick firmware upgrade. Ensure that the firmware upgrade option is checked. 7. Select firmware. Click Select Firmware and choose the update.img file you copied earlier. 8. Start creation process. Click Start to create and confirm by selecting OK on the warning pop-up. The TF card will be formatted, so ensure all personal files are backed up. 9. Wait for completion. The process will take around 7 minutes. Once completed, a success message will appear. Click OK. Step 2. Optional, copy keep car file. Optional step. If you want to keep history files, e.g. diagnostic records, photos, and not reset the device to factory settings, copy the keepcar.txt file to the root directory of the TF card. Factory reset. If you wish to reset the device, delete the keepcar.txt file from the TF card. Step 3. Flash the OTOFIX D1 device. 1. Insert the TF card into the OTOFIX D1. Place the prepared TF card into the device's card slot. 2. Power on the device. Ensure the device's battery is charged to at least 30%. Long press the power button to reboot the device. 3. Automatic flash process. The D1 will automatically start the flashing process. 4. Completion. Once the process completes and the screen displays a success message, remove the TF card from the device. Step 4. NV configuration. 1. Copy logos and NV configs. Transfer the logos and NV configs to the internal storage of the device via ES File Explorer or a similar app. 2. Run app. Clear logo. Click Log to clear the current logo. Write logo. Select logo, choose OTOFIX, and click OK. Clear boot animation. Click to remove the current boot animation. Set boot animation. Select, choose OTOFIX, and click OK. Write NV configuration. Click NV, select the correct NV, and confirm by clicking OK. The device will restart automatically. Step 5. Clean up the system. 1. Factory reset. Reboot the OTOFIX D1. Go to System Settings, System, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Select Erase SD card, if necessary, and then proceed to reset the device. The device will reboot automatically. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively flash the firmware of your OTOFIX D1 series diagnostic scanner. Ensure you back up important files before starting and follow each step carefully for a successful reflash. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.